And he said, "Governor, I'm just calling to tell you, this is going to be a terrible storm. This is going to be worse than Camille." Of course, it turned out to be, at that time, the worst natural disaster in American history.
This bridge was gone, Bay St. Louis was gone, 110 was damaged, and then 90 was just destroyed.
He said, "Guys, you better get this thing done in 30 days or I'll have your job." We were literally designing temporary crossovers on I-10 at 2 o'clock in the morning. When we were used to doing damage assessments prior to Katrina, we were talking in the millions. And now we're talking nearly $1 billion or more.
I have a lot of confidence that our maintenance forces and our folks are ready for any type of natural disaster that comes our way, whether it be on the coast or anywhere else in Mississippi for that matter.
You know, after Camille, we didn't do so well. But after Katrina, because a lot of people helped us, we actually did come back better than